Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So, the new exclusive Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra Titanium Gold. First look at the stunning new design and impressive details. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to make a grand debut early next year, showcasing what might be a significant departure from its predecessors. Recent renders have revealed an exciting new design for this flagship device, promising to elevate Samsung's smartphone design to new heights. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The new exclusive renders, created by TechnizoConcept, and based on CAD images from Onleaks, and details from Tech Insider Ice Universe, unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in a striking new titanium gold finish. These high-definition images highlight the revamped design that distinguishes it from previous models. The new upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to feature the thinnest symmetrical bezels ever seen on a Samsung device, surpassing even the Apple's premium iPhone 16 Pro Max in this regard. The top-end smartphone will have a notably thin middle frame, designed to be lightweight and easy to handle, without compromising on screen or frame size. So, what are the new S Pen stylus integration and design adjustments? Initial rumors suggested that the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra might not include an S Pen slot. However, Onleaks has since clarified that the device will indeed feature an S Pen silo, continuing Samsung's Note legacy. Is Galaxy S25 Ultra coming with a flat frame design? The new frame design is similar to that of Apple's iPhone models and Google's Pixel 9 series, offering a flat profile that enhances comfort and usability. What are performance and hardware upgrade changes? The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to be Samsung's most advanced device yet, not just in terms of design, but also hardware. The flagship is expected to be powered by Qualcomm's most latest, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, potentially outperforming Apple's iPhone 16 Pro's A18 Pro chipset. Now, the final conclusion of the video is here. Release date is expected early next year. Design highlights: new titanium gold color, ultra-thin symmetrical bezels, and lightweight frame. New improved S Pen integration with a dedicated slot. Performance: Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, potentially surpassing competitors. With its refined design and high-end impressive hardware, the Galaxy S25 Ultra promises to be a standout addition to Samsung's infinite lineup. Stay tuned for more updates as the launch approaches. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.